TS4, right now we have some packages that came in from Amazon there. DHL person not too long dropped them off there. So there are a lot of stuff there. It's about to make some connections and things. I think I'll just make some short videos concerning them. Because when people searching for stuff, the more search for the thing they're looking for, and they mightn't get to see all of the items that they're looking for. So let's run through these one by one. So we'll start off with the T-tap wire terminals there. This is 108 pieces there. So they're showing you, this style I could show you this side, they're showing you how they're crimping it there. Showing you how to connect them. Do have the crimpers and stuff right here. So have wire strippers and stuff there too. So this is how it goes in there. We get into the item just now itself. So basically these clip around the wires and snap in, and then after this connect it after with one of the joints and them. So when we open it, you'll get to see. So this is the wire range here they're showing right now, and the maximum current. I could go through them there, and the quantity and stuff there, and some more dimensions and stuff there. So on this one, yeah, so let me get into it here, see how they're looking. Look like it's scotch tape down on this side. See if you get that tape off. Alright. Yeah, so this is them there. So the red look. This is the biggest size or the smallest. Let's see it by how wide the teeth are. Not telling you the size. And well, it also mark up on the outside there. So the wider the teeth is, the wider it is. The blue one there. Let's put it around your wire, whatever gauge you have, and you crimp it on there. See it. So you put it on around your wire, crimp, and you get it in there. Then you have this end there to push in the jack inside. So you crimp around your wire, slip in the inside here. And I get it in there. Let's see. Right. And it stops. It stops right there. I don't know why I'm watching behind the camera, so I'm kind of pointing out of frame right now. But that's how simple it is to get them in and crimp around. Now planning to hook up my indicator lights that install on my e-bike itself. So I just order a few things just to help me make it easy. Just to go around the wires and run them. Only thing I don't get now is the wires to run from the back indicators to the front. I might go straight inside of the box itself, clip inside there, and come through and run back around some of the cables. Yeah, that's it. Nothing much. All them basically doing the same thing. To connect onto the wire end there, I think I'll show you that part. You would need to put the wire into the hole there, and then use the crimper there. It had the colors and stuff there to show you what to crimp it on there. So the blue will be the middle there, and when you push your size wire inside there, you crimp it, and it wouldn't be able to come out. So I will connect onto the wire that you're going to use. Where did this one come from? Looks like it come from this side. So the crimper is important to help you out. You can also use this one as well, the wire stripper. As you can see with the wire stripper, it also have the colors right there. So you just put it in there and squeeze it. Helps crimp, but it wouldn't be as wide as the other one. This one more thin, so you might have to do it like 3 different spots around it to help it. So that's why it's good to get this one here, so you can see how wide it is, the jaw, so you'll be able to get more surface area. and you will do this one after. Yeah, solder your wires and stuff in case of emergency. Same kind of concept with this one, with the crimping of the wires and stuff there, and they could attach onto different stuff there. The hook up. Now this one is them rubber seal kits there for some stuff that I need to check on there. Needed to be food grade, so that I went like that. And we also have some more packages out here, whatnot concerning this there. So you'll see the videos on those coming up next. PS4 out.